y'all seen her leave and come back. The other video got cut off. I don't know why. I think y'all know why. I'm showing the connection is real. But peace, collective conscious. I love you. I'm out here vibing with nature. You can hear all the birds talking. Right? At the same time, I'm sun gazing. Alright? No socks, no shoes, right? Straight on Mother Earth. And I got her pretty self right here. She'll come back. Hold on, watch. I told you. And this is not CGI either. She left, but she gonna come right back. Watch. Boom. I told you. This is divine. This that real divine right here. This how you know you connected. When you can say she leaves and comes right back. Come on now. But yeah, I just wanted to ooh wee, you bit me, bruh. Yo, what the heck? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm out in nature and I felt a fly bite me. And you see as I'm moving, she's still on me. She ain't going nowhere. That's crazy. A fly just bit me, yo. The heck? And she's still over here. I think that fly was jelly. Was the fly jelly? Oh, pretty girl. I love you. I love you. This is all I wanted to show you guys, though. Get yourself outside nature, ground yourself, release the toxins and the negative energy. Charge up through the sun. Also, Mother Earth can charge you up too. And you can charge yourself up as well by meditating and sitting with yourself or connecting with nature. Right? I tried to kiss her. Watch, she gonna come right back. Hold on. Boom. What'd I say? Hey, this is divine. And we're in the 3rd minute of this video. How many times does she come back and leave? If she's a she, I'm getting the vibe that she's a she. All right. But peace and positive thoughts, TikTok family. I will see you when I see you. High vibes.